All you need for this recipe is 1 boiled egg, 1 fresh egg, mustard, and avocado oil. The eggs do not have to be room temperature. You can use them straight from the fridge. The first thing we're going to do is peel off the boiled egg. And all we need from it is the yolk. We just need to crumble it a little bit. The next step is to take the fresh egg and separate the yolk. And now we are ready to mix it with oil. As you can see, if you do it this way, you can use a lot more oil at a time and you're not going to have any issues. You continue to put as much oil as you want to achieve the amount that you want of the mayo. And I usually like to put some mustard on the end. Not too much, I usually use just a little bit. And you can always taste it and see if you want more mustard or not. Now, another trick to know is that if you by mistake put way too much oil, let me see if I can show you, then you can fix it with a little bit of mustard. Let's try to put too much oil. It looks like that's still not enough to mix it up. So you see it's starting to become, this is probably still not enough, so let's put some more. I don't think I can mess it up even if I want to. It's still working. Look at that. But yeah, you can see now that it's not quite as good. So what you do, you put some mustard in. And it's fixed. You're back in business. And now you can continue pouring more oil in. Look at this. Beautiful.
Hey everybody, it's Bob with Stevia Sweet Barbecue Sauce. So I want to tell you about a super easy recipe, which is basically what we call a bistro sauce. It's a combination of just a few ingredients. One, Stevia Sweet Barbecue Sauce. You can use the regular, you can use the spicy, and then these simple ingredients here. Equal amounts, Stevia Sweet, your favorite mayonnaise, and a little bit of dried chive, and some cayenne pepper to taste. This becomes a creamy, delicious sauce with a little bit of a kick to it that you can use on fun fried foods, chicken wings, ribs, seafood, dip chips in it, French fries. Just really a great way to enjoy the barbecue sauce and turn it into something else. We have holiday parties coming up, events to go to, and you want to bring a fun dip. This will work for all your low-carb friends, as well as we have some fun football to watch. And this will allow Stevia Sweet to be enjoyed all year long. So let's show you how hard it is here. We're going to take your favorite mayonnaise. You can just use a regular commercial grocery store mayonnaise or make your own, or you can get real fancy and do maybe a avocado mayonnaise. But this is a regular mayonnaise, equal amounts, whether you use a cup, a tablespoon, a gallon, whatever it is, it's an equal amount of Stevia Sweet Barbecue Sauce and the mayonnaise, and then simply give it a little bit of a swirl, mix it up together, and you're going to see it's becoming this beautiful light pink sauce. And then to give it a little bit of kick, you're going to do a cayenne pepper to taste. You know, I would say a couple of 4 little shakes like that. Get that mixed in there, and then to get really fancy, we're going to do some dried chives. And again, really just whatever your preference is. I'm going to say maybe a tablespoon. Dried chives or dried parsley works good. And then mix it up there and you are ready to go. Isn't that pretty difficult? So here we are. We have a nice, yummy dipping sauce. It's beautiful on a fried item, maybe a nice chicken wing, and you are ready to bite in and delicious.